Hi, my name is Fritz de los Reyes from the medical surgical floor. Endorsing you is Mrs. Mamoji, a 64-year-old, post-op mastectomy of the left breast under Dr. Chen 3 hours ago. Vital signs are within normal baseline and should be monitored done at 5:30 p.m. following the bolus increase at 3:30 p.m. Take note that she is on a PCA and she is already on the 6th dose. At 6 p.m., Mrs. Mamuji is showing a sign and symptoms of an opioid overdose, including a respiratory rate of 6 and 3 on sedation scale. The physician already notified, and following an episode of respiratory depression, the PCA was stopped at 6 p.m. and only 1 dose of naloxone was needed. And now she is currently awake and alert with a respiratory rate of 16 per minute and an oxygen saturation 95% to room air. She received a 2 milligram per orem hydromorphone dose an hour ago, and she rated the pain 3/10. Thank you.